Welcome back, grade 12. We were doing arithmetic sequence and series, and the previous video I left you to do example number 2. We were given x plus 2, 3x minus 1, and 4x minus 3. These are the first three terms that were given. Then the first question wants you to find the value of x and the first three terms. Then B, find the general term. The general term is the same as the nth term. And then C, if the nth is minus 41, find n. Then the last one is find the 20th term. Let's see how many of you did it. If you happen to have done it, it's fine. Let's see what the answers are. If you did not do it and you have watched the previous video, then you have limited yourself to see as to how much do you know, how much can you apply. Do not blame it to your teacher, because you learners have a tendency of not doing your homework. I know it from the experience. So I don't want this to happen again, ever. So if you are given a homework, please do it. You owe it to yourself, not your teacher. That is why the teachers are limited to give you the amount of work, to give you the amount of knowledge. They give you everything that they have, and you come and sit with it. Who's to blame? It's you. So now I come and see who has done this. The first thing that you do, you find that D1 must be equals to D2. The common difference 1 is the same as the common difference 2, which is the T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. What is T2? T2 minus T1 is the same as T3 minus T2. What is T2 minus T1? There you go. It's 3x minus 1 minus x plus 2, right? This must be equals to the common difference number 2, which is T3 4x minus 3 minus 3x minus 1. This is what you have. Now, let's just open up our brackets to see what we have. It's 3x minus 1 minus x minus 2 is equals to 4x minus 3 minus 3x plus 1. Simply distribute minus 1, negative times 3x is minus 3x, negative times negative 1 is positive 1. Here, a negative times minus positive x is negative x, a negative times positive 2 it's negative 2. Here you put 3x and minus 1 as it is. Here you put 4x minus 3 as it is. Right, you check your 3x. 3x minus 1x is what? It's 2x. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. A 4x minus 3x is x. A minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Now take the like terms on one side. Take the x, that side, it's 2x minus x, because it was positive. No, I don't have to explain that. You are matrix, you know that. So it's minus 2. Take minus 3 on the left hand side, it will be positive on the right hand side. Then 2x minus x is x. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So they say find x and then the first three terms. Let's go and find the first three terms. The first term is x plus 2, which is 1 plus 2. The second one is 3 times 1 minus 1. The third one is 4 times 1 minus 3. This is going to be 1 plus 2, it's 3. The first term is 3. The second term is 3 minus 1, it's 2. The third term is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 1. 3, 2, 1. Go for B. How many of you did got this? How many of you did get this? X is 1. And the first 3 terms? The first 3 terms is 3, 2, 1. Go to B. That was A. Go for B. B says general term. Let's find the general term. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. We have our A as 3. We have our D as, let's find D. Don't have D. From here, 3, 2, 1. The common difference is 1. 2 minus 3 is 1. So your D is going to be 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. There you go. Then your Tn, which is the nth term or general term, is going to be, what is your A? A plus n minus 1d. So your A is 3. What is your n? It's what they want us to find. N minus 1. What is your D? Minus 1. Distribute this minus 1 into this bracket. You have 3 minus n times n. Minus 1 times n is minus n. Minus 1 times minus 1 is positive 1. So you have what? You have a negative n. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we have solved B. Come to C. C wants us to find the nth term is minus 41, find n. So they say that T minus 41 is equals to A. Here it's minus n plus 4. Minus n plus 4. So we find n. So this is minus 41. Remember, we have this to be equals to minus 41. So n, take n, that side from left, from right to left, it is going to change the sign. It was negative, it is going to be positive. Then 4 remains. Then take minus 41 on the left hand side to the right hand side. It was negative, it will become positive. So n must be 41 plus 4, which is 45. So at Tn is minus 41, then we have our n as 45. Right, we come to do another problem here. This is the problem that we need to do. This problem, remember mathematic, this is problem involving simultaneous equation. We're involving simultaneously equation. Involved in simultaneous equation. Okay. Oh, we did not do the 20th term, but this one we can do it. Find the 20th term. You guys can do this, but for simplicity's sake, we are going to do G. The 20th term is going to be T20 is going to be We take the minus n plus 4. At t number 20, we have t20 is equals to minus, where you see n, you put 20 plus 4. t20 is going to be minus 20 plus 4, which is minus 16. Number t. t20 is going to be minus 16. I skipped it because I know that my good learners will do it. So let's come and do this problem now. We are involving the simultaneous equation. They say the term is 31 and the 15th term is 46. Find the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Find the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Sometimes it is abbreviated AP. Right? Now we are involving the simultaneous equation, right? Do not forget that, guys. The 10th term, T10, is equals to 31. You see? So, from the beginning, where we started, the term number 10 is represented by A plus 9D. Remember? 1 less than the term number multiplied by the common difference. Must give you what? 31. Then your A is equals to minus 9D plus 31. This is not new to you, matrix, but just this thing is just new, but the simultaneous equation is not new. Right, we come to 15th term. T15 is equals to what? 46. What T15 tells us? T15 tells us that we have A plus 1 less, which is 15 minus 1 is 14D. Must give us what? 46. This is what? Equation 2. Then you start doing your magic. You know how to do your magic from grade 11. Then we say substitute A, this A. Substitute A into equation 2. Here is your equation 2. Equation 2 says A plus 14D is equals to 46. When you see A, you put minus 9D plus, take 1. So it's minus 9D, now minus 9D plus 31 plus 14D must give us 46. You start solving for D. Right, I am going to take out this D. I'm going to take out this D. Everyone has got this D? Yes, show them so that they can capture it. Then they go and practice from the previous exercise. Right? We have minus d minus 9d plus 31 plus 14d equals to 46. Here they want us to find the first three terms. That's it. That's done. Right. If you can check this, minus 9 plus 14 is 5. Positive 5. 5d plus 31 is equals to 46. Take 31 that side. 5d is equals to 46 minus 31. 46 minus 31 is 15. Then you can see d is 3, therefore d is equals to 3. Now you find a. Your a was here from equation 1. A is equals to minus 9d plus 31. So from 1, a is equals to minus 9d plus 31. Then your a is going to be minus 9, your d is 3 plus 31. 9 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 minus 27 plus 31. So the answer is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Have a 4. Positive 4. So your a is 4. Then to find the first three terms, you come and say a is 4. Your d is 3. Add 3 from here. Sorry. A is 4. Add 3 from here. 7. Add another 3 from 7. 10. The first three terms is 4, 7, and 10. Thank you very much, grade 12. I hope this has done you justice, and it is going to continue that do you justice. I want you to go and practice everything that we have done from the arithmetic sequence and series up until where we started in the quadratic pattern. So from me, this is all I can give up to so far. Just go and practice. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras residing out. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Share the videos. Do not skip the advert so that you can make our Uncle Pythagoras page grow. Thank you very much. I like you all. Have a nice new year. Do not forget, you do not relax. Once new year starts, it means you start afresh. You start from the new things. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras, deciding out.